In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable LEDES billing in Clio. If you're managing a law firm and need to streamline your billing process, then enabling LEDES billing could be just what you need. LEDES, or Legal Electronic Data Exchange Standard, is a standardized billing format that helps law firms and their clients manage billing information more efficiently. So, let's dive into the steps to set this up in Clio. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Settings section on your Clio dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Billing option in the left navigation menu. You should find an option labeled UTBMS codes, which stands for Uniform Task-Based Management System. Checking the box for Use UTBMS codes is crucial, as these codes are a key part of the LEDES billing process. They categorize legal services and expenses, ensuring that your billing is as clear and organized as possible. After checking the box, you'll need to select the specific standard code sets that your clients require. This selection ensures that the billing codes align with your client's expectations and contractual agreements. Next up, we need to update some account details. Navigate once again to Settings, but this time, find the section labeled Account and Payment Info, then click on Account Info. This is where you'll provide some crucial identifiers for your firm. Scroll down until you find the input field for LEDES Law Firm ID, Tax ID, or GST number. Enter the relevant identification value for your firm in this field. This information ensures that your LEDES billing is correctly attributed to your firm, and it's vital for compliance and record keeping. Once you've entered the correct information, remember to click Save New Information to ensure your data is stored correctly in Clio. Now let's focus on setting up your clients with LEDES billing preferences. Click on Contacts in the left menu to access your list of clients. Find the client for whom you'd like to enable LEDES billing and click Edit on their card. This will allow you to modify their billing details. Scroll down to find the Billing Preferences section and click to expand it. Here, you'll locate the LEDES Client ID field. This is where you'll enter the unique ID code assigned by your client. This ID is essential for ensuring that all LEDES billing information is correctly associated with the right client. After entering the unique ID, don't forget to click Save Contact. This step ensures that your changes are applied and that the client's billing preferences are updated accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled LEDES billing in Clio. This setup will help streamline your billing process, making it more efficient and standardized, which can significantly reduce billing errors and improve client satisfaction. Keep in mind that maintaining accurate and up-to-date billing information is not just a best practice, but a crucial aspect of law firm management. If you have any specific client requirements or if your firm undergoes changes, make sure to revisit these settings to keep everything current. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy billing.